So y'all know what's going down. This motor coming out. So I'm probably gonna put y'all on a time lapse. If I don't put y'all on a time lapse, it is what it is. First thing coming out this motor is the intake and the whole little charge pipe setup. We're gonna take that off, that way we can get access to everything else. Snatch the turbos off. The turbos unbolt with 4 bolts. Snatch the oil lines off of the turbo. We're gonna snatch the oil lines off the turbos and the oil drain feed lines off the turbos. And then we're gonna pop the headers out. Once we get the headers out, we got us a normal GTO engine, and we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe. This video here, we're trying to run down to that car show on the 17th. We got 7 more days to go. I haven't done nothing to that car, and this car here waiting. Baby sitting over there looking like a little lemon drop, and cowgirl back there doing her thing. It's early in the morning, so I should say by 12 o'clock, if I stay on it, I can have this whole motor out on the ground. So gotta stay on it and get active. So the first thing first is getting tools ready. Now I don't have my handy dandy Milwaukee ratchet, but I do got this drill with the you know what I'm saying, with the little head on it. Swap out batteries. My other battery over here charging. Well, it was supposed to be charging. We hooked it up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, got that. So we finna go and get started. Cowgirl chewed up on my screwdriver. It ain't my only screwdriver, but this was one of my favorite screwdrivers. For no particular reason, only because it got that magnetic head. But yeah, that's not important. Like I said, first thing first, we finna do this. Finna go and put y'all boys on the time lapse. Y'all rock out, drop y'all a freestyle to the beat. If y'all digging that freestyle, let me know in the comment section below. You know what I'm saying? It's up, it's stuck. I'm finna find somewhere for y'all to post up. Yo. Pull these bolts off, they're a little rusty, so we're gonna go and put a little oil on them so that they don't mess up. And then it's an Allen wrench at the bottom holding them in at the bottom, and we'll be able to take them off. So I ain't finna do nothing crazy with the oil. Got some .3 brake fluid or .4. I'll put that on them bolts real quick and get them out. So we got it bust down, all the turbo components over there, a couple more stuff over there. Right now, what I'm finna do is, I already drained the radiator. Finna pull the radiator out. You know, that's that Mishimoto. The booger was brand new at one point in time. Looks like it's ready for a good polishing now. Do something to do the engine bay. You know what I'm saying? Get the engine bay back right. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now. I was gonna time lapse y'all, but the phone died, so it is what it is. I got a lot of wires that was burnt that I had to redo. So for sure, I know I had an exhaust leak. You know, when you got an exhaust leak with your turbo setup, you don't want an exhaust leak, period. You want all that pressure, so you don't get all your horsepowers with that. And we're gonna make sure we iron everything out before we go back with it.
What you doing now?
Like, I'm gonna pop out the water pump. I got everything else on. You know what I'm saying? So, should break them in first.
That's the pistons?
No, baby, that's the throttle body.
Oh, what's in the inside?
Intake juice.
So what are pistons?
Pistons way in the middle of the motor.
Nowhere over there?
Nope. No pistons over there, nowhere. No pistons over there.
So what is a piston anyway?
Piston where you get all your horsepower. All your horsepower. Piston will go boom in the motor. Make the motor go boom, boom. And you step on the gas, make the motor go boom, boom, boom inside. That's what makes the exhaust pipes like just like that. Alright, so next, take off. I would normally take off the intake, but since I don't, let's see how much fuel pressure we got right now. And you know what's crazy? This
You don't wanna show Gilly your support?
yeah.
Raise it up.
Raise what up?
Yeah, just show love.
Yeah, you got that no love on, you know what I'm saying?
Don't post that.
What? Oh, the hammer time? You see that hammer on there? Girl going on. Bro, the car out of gas.
Why you know? How you know that?
Nigga, wasn't no gas came out the damn thing. It was just straight air.
Oh, that's the gas? Yeah, so you can poke that and know if you got gas or not? What is it?
That's the fuel line. That's why I wasn't running.
Well, I need to see. So depending on how hard it spray out is the amount of gas you got.
That just let me know ain't nothing wrong with the motor.
What you said? What you found out was wrong?
It's my power wire. It was grounding out on something. That's why I was having hard starts every now and then. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, gang. It's finna start raining. I've been booking. You can see over here. I'm gonna start over here because I haven't been vlogging. So we got this motor out. You know what I'm saying? It's ready to go. Got the chain on it. The transmission sitting right here on the ground. So we're gonna clean all that up, get that nice and neat, and we're gonna get this motor situated. So she ready to come out. I got everything put to the side. I left the clutch and everything on there, so y'all get to see that clutch I got on there. I just started on this spot 10-15 minutes ago. We got the radiator off, the fans, the shroud, the belt. Now we're getting at the water pump. We're getting at the water pump right now. Once we pop the water pump off. Alright. So that's the water pump. This water pump wasn't new. It's the same water pump that was.
Oh yeah, this look way better than the other one.
Cause it's an aluminum block. And I recently just did this motor. So it's still a little crud in the alternator and the water pump bracket. Put this back on there. I want to misplace it. And that's a 15 for the power steering. I done bust this car down so much, it's so easy. It's really so fast too because everything is already accessible versus the Turbo GTO. It took me a whole, I'm gonna say it took me an hour just to unbolt the turbos, put in both. Let's see. That's one. Trying to get it all the way out so it don't get in the way. It's only 2 bolts on this power steering pump. Power steering pump off. Pull this up. And now that power steering pump out the way. 3 bolts on the alternator for the GTOs. I'm not gonna mix up my bolts. I really kind of want to put my bolts back where they go, but this motor going to the other side. And the whole bracket came off. Alternator. This baby look under the wheel.
Wish I was taller.
Alright, so we got all the accessories off already. Now all we need to do, get the wire harness, the dipstick. We're gonna pull the cars off of this block. And like I said, wire harness, cars, headers, motor mounts. Then I'm gonna go up under and do the transmission. So that's where we at now. I'm not gonna bore y'all. Y'all already know what we gotta do. Simple, couple of 10s, couple of 15s, and then motor gonna be ready to come up out of there. So y'all just stay tuned for the swap. We're gonna have both of the motors on the stand doing that thing. And look, I'm gonna give a shout out to my boy one time. Y'all can go use my promo code 93V hands on. Y'all can go get y'all turbo. You know what I'm saying? Max speed and rods. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below with my code. That way y'all boys can get a percentage off. And you know what I'm saying? Your boy get a little commission on the sale. Not only turbos, we got shocks, springs, coilovers, like we got and so much. So y'all just go check out the website. What's up, man? Your boy got his hands on these motors today. It done started raining, but I'm still finna boogie. That's a blessing part about having a garage. So, like I said, it's up, it's stuck. Yiggity, yiggity, young. Boy, got the horses outside today in the hood. I'm riding with your boy TJ, y'all. We're going to go get the motor stand. We pulled up towards the hood, and they got the horses outside today in the hood. Yes, sir. Yeah.
VV.
What she say?
She say VV. She say we got the horn, we got the right of way. This might be a bunch of shit.
Damn, they got the horses, boy.
Yeah. I gotta get a little food.
With the ooze in the eye. Alright, gang, so y'all down deep off in here with me. I got my old rusty ratchet. Breaking off this last exhaust bolt on a naturally aspirated GTO. I haven't vlogged a little bit, so y'all missed a couple of things. We topped off the intakes and on both of the GTOs, and we found more little problems. So we're gonna get all that situated. Once we get this out, y'all gonna see. So, gang, and right now I done got everything off for the naturally aspirated GTO. I'm just working on the motor mounts. There's one motor mount. Other side should be just as easy. But man, I ain't gonna lie, my other impact had a light on it. This impact, that impact got me working in the dark. That's the other motor mount bolt. But yeah, man, it's solo dolo, man. I really wish I had somebody who I already knew what they was doing that wouldn't mind just coming to help me get these motors done. Matter of fact, I do, man. I got a guy been asking to help. So I'm gonna see what's up with him. See if he wanna just come put in some work. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I got these motors stripped down naked. All I gotta do, I got all of the bell housing bolts from the top. I'm gonna get the bottom bell housing bolts, drop the starter and the torque converter, and this motor can come out. So, see, you got the headers loose already. Yeah, man, it's been a long day. I've been grinding off and on. Took a couple breaks. Really know I could have been done, but you know, when you ain't really got no bunch of motivation, it is what it is. But we made progress today. Zoe feeling some type of way. We made progress today, though. Zoe feeling some type of way, but we made progress today. Zoe feeling some type of way, but we made progress. Know what I'm saying?
It's
Yeah.
sitting in the car.
So that motor ready to come out. If I give this another 30 minutes, this motor will be ready to come out. I just need 13, a couple 15s, and it's ready to be done. So finna go and jack this booger up now. Everything else needs to be done on this is under the car. And we're gonna knock that out. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, gang, so I'm gonna wrap it up here at this point because I finally got the transmission unbuckled from this motor. Y'all see I got the headers loosed up, everything really loose. So both of the motors ready to come out. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and pull these motors out. Y'all see it done got dark on me. You know what I'm saying? Get dark early, ain't nothing but 7 o'clock. So yeah, man, your boy tired. Whoa, I dirtied in the mug. Y'all already know what time it is. Both of these motors ready to go. It's your boy 9 Traders, just part 1. Now tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna pull these out, clean them up, put new gaskets where need be. Cause this motor here, I ain't gonna even lie, was leaking a lot, y'all. So I can go up under and show y'all and show y'all no under the car footage. I put a strap on it so that booger wouldn't mess up. But look how my transmission a little wet and all up under there. It just was a little moist with oil, so this car needed that. So it is what it is.